I have Smeg fab30 fridge freezer with a split door seal. Can it be replaced?
How old is your Smeg fridge?
Say 10 years. Maybe slightly less.
How long has this been going on with your Smeg refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Condensation started last year. Just found the split in the seal but don't know how long it's been there.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of. Is the seal a separate item that can be replaced?
Thanks for your question. I'm Gavin and I'll help you with this. Ordinarily Smeg only offer the seal with the complete door, but I'll just look into this for you now. Many thanks, Gavin. A door seal is available on its own for your model, but it looks as though it is a style that lips behind the liner of the door. Trying to replace this style without causing damage to the door is extremely unlikely. The door is available as a spare for your appliance and would be the best way to repair it. Please let me know if you would like the details of the door or seal and I will send you the link. Thank you, Gavin.
Why would they sell the seal if it can't be fitted? Replacement doors are £250 plus, seems a bit excessive. Is it possible to reseal the split with something flexible such as a puncture repair kit or silicone, or just heating something to adhere and reseal?
I've always used white silicone for small splits. Just make sure you leave the door closed until it has set, as if it doesn't set in the correct place it can make your problem worse. It's not that you can't replace the seal more, it is highly likely you will damage the door liner whilst trying to do so.
Can you send me the link for the seal, please? Thanks.
No problem. I'll get that for you now. https://www.4hourhouse.co.uk/fridge door seal/product.pl PID equals 4699223 and query equals fab30 plus seal.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.